So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change miles to kilometers in DoorDash. So first of all, download the app. After that, open it up. Through here you can see at the bottom home, grocery, shopping, browse, and me. You can see the shopping cart in the top right and your notifications as well as your address in the top part as well. Now on here you can see your past orders, coffee pod, Season Sports Lounge, and you can see how far away they are. So you can see 9.2 miles or 31 minutes. Now, if you want to change to kilometers, you can do that, but you will need to do it indirectly by changing your address, since it follows the rules of the country it's in. So if you wish to change it, you can change it maybe to Canada, and after that, depending where you are in the country, you can see it in kilometers. One also thing that you need to pay attention to is opening up the Dasher app. Through the Dasher app, you can just change the miles to kilometers preference by going to your settings, and through there you can see miles or kilometers, since it's going to be easier for their employees to calculate how much they need to get to that order or that restaurant, and so on and so on. So on here you just go to settings and adjust your preference. On here, try with changing the location. So that's about it for changing the distance units. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos in DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.